In this video, I would like to make a door with a grid pattern in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, you have to make any size of the box right here, so you can push it up with any height as you want or as logic as possible, and then you can make a door frame pattern with a tape measure tool. You can set the door width around 1000 millimeter, and then you can set the door height around 2500 millimeter. Okay, you can see it. You can see about the dimension. Okay, I would like to show you about the dimension of the door with the door height and the width, so you can see it, and then you can erase some unnecessary line, and then you can make a door frame pattern with a line by following this guiding line anyway. So you can see, and you can erase some unnecessary objects, something like this. And after that, you can select all these three line, and then you can offset it inside around 60 millimeter. Then you can use the line, and then you can erase it. Then you have just push it to the back 120 millimeter, and you can make it group. And after that, you have to make a rectangle in this door frame, and then you can push it until 20 millimeter of the width. Then you have to make it group, and after that you can make a guiding line, or you can enter the group and just select the single line and just move and press Ctrl it to the midpoint of the object. And then after that, you have to select this both of separated line, and just move to the bottom and press Ctrl in this area, and just type 6/ millimeter 6/ and just press enter it. And now you can offset it inside. You can offset the of every line right here with carefully. You have to offset it with carefully by using the move, and just press Ctrl, and you can type 15 millimeter, and on the you can offset move and press Ctrl again to duplicate it around 30 millimeter. And now you can select this horizontal single lines in by following this step, and then you have to move and just move to the upper position with 15 millimeter, and then you have to move it down until 30 millimeter, and then you can see about the grid pattern arrangement. Then you have to erase some unnecessary line like this. You have to delete with carefully. You can delete the following line by watch carefully about this step anyway. So you can see about a grid pattern like this. Then you have to push it to the back. Maybe it's around 5 millimeter only. So you can see about the arrangement grid pattern in a door. And after that, you can select a wood. You can select a wood area. You can select a wood, and then you can select this wood floor to make a pattern. And then you can just assign a material, and if you feel it's too large texture, you can just adjust it. Maybe it's around 750 millimeter. Sorry, it's too large again, and then you can set 200 maybe, or 300. You can try it by yourself anyway. Then you can assign it to another surface. Okay, and then you can rotate it by just select this plane and right click and just select texture and position, so you can rotate it. And then you can assign with this type as you want. Maybe you can assign to this type, and you can assign this type also to make a dynamic material model light. And then don't forget to assign a material in a narrow space in here, right? You can following the video and watch carefully, and then you have to assign material carefully. Okay, so you can see this step to make it detailed enough in 3D modeling. Anyway, so you can see about the adding texture material in this video, and then you can see about the one side door material, and then you can make it component. Just create it and just move on the right side on the green axis, and just flip along it on the green axis. And also you have to move it until it combine with the front door panel, and just make it group and just position it on a correct position. Anyway, and then don't forget to assign a frame material, so you can see about the grid pattern of the door anyway, from the front and back side. And then you can make a door handle with a rectangle. Make a door handle with rectangle, just a simple rectangle, and just a simple door handle anyway. And then you can offset it inside. And just make it group, and you can select a metal, and you can adjust maybe it's round, something like this. Then you can position it on back side of the door anyway. So it I hope it will be a lot of advantage for all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.